Winter is coming. As the temperature drops, your plants need more than shelter. They require protection, tailored to the season. Saksby wholesale greenhouses help you grow confidently throughout the year. When frost, snow, and cold winds arrive, a reliable greenhouse keeps your garden thriving. Built for durability and performance, each Saksby wholesale greenhouse combines strength, insulation, and smart design. Before you buy, remember these 5 essentials. First, the frame. Choose rust-resistant aluminum or steel for lasting stability. Second, panels. Made of twin-wall polycarbonate, retain heat and diffuse light. Third, size. Select one that fits your space and future growth. Fourth, ventilation. Proper airflow prevents mold and overheating. And fifth, check snow and wind load ratings to ensure winter readiness. At Saksby, you'll find premium greenhouse kits for every level, from compact models to spacious walk-ins. Each one is easy to assemble, built to last, and ready for year-round growing. Once your greenhouse is set up, prepare for winter. Position it where it gets the most light, insulate if needed, and group your plants to conserve warmth. Ready to extend your growing season? Visit Saksby.com and contact us on 1-8447-175044 or email us on hello@saksby.com.